Dancehall singer Ishawna is to collaborate with UK pop star Ed Sheeran. The news broke on Tuesday when Ed shared with Halfcast podcast that he's about to record his part of a new song with Ishawna as he teased his attempt at patois.
Ishawna's got me singing patois with her.
Is it, yeah?
Because I was like, I don't know, and she was like, trust me, Kingston slangling. And so she's got me singing. I'm actually going to record my bits after this. That's what they're hurrying me up for.
Okay.
Now, in Ishawna's post, which went viral, she stated that she was trying so hard to keep the upcoming collab a secret, but she was elated to share the good news with her fans. She went on to say that the universe brought them together through music, and it was an absolute honor to be working with Ed Sheeran. Grateful is an understatement. Last month, Sheeran also went viral when he referred to Ishawna's unofficial version of his mega hit, Shape of You, adding that the song was remixed a dozen times around the world, but that the dancehall artist was one of his favorite remixes. Since then, Ishawna's remix has gained over 4 million streams on YouTube. No release date has been announced for the new track. Dancehall singer Cranium's hit single Nobody Has to Know is now platinum. The track has been certified platinum in Canada with sales exceeding 80,000 copies. The news was made public by the distribution and record producing company Music Canada. This marks Cranium's second certification in Canada. His popular song Can't Believe, which features Ty Dolla $ign and Wizkid, received a gold certification in Canada. Earlier this year, the track was certified silver in the United Kingdom for sales of more than 200,000 copies. Prior to that, in 2019, it was certified gold in the US by the Recording Industry Association of America for sales of over 500,000. Nobody Has to Know was also reimagined and re-released in 2015. That version featured Ty and charted on the Billboard R&B Hip Hop Airplay chart. Now, American rapper Travis Scott has revealed that he will pay for the funerals of the 8 fans who died while attending his Astroworld festival on Friday night. The 8 victims, who ranged in ages from 14 to 27, died as the crowd reportedly surged toward the stage during Scott's headlining set, causing chaos and also injuring 300 others. Producers for Astroworld have also announced that full refunds will be coming and that they're working on ways to support the attendees, the families of the victims, and staff. Scott's Cactus Jack Foundation has also partnered with mental health online portal BetterHelp to offer free one-on-one virtual therapy sessions with a licensed therapist for anyone affected in the wake of the tragedy. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.